enjoyed my video on this beautiful wig right here. Like I said, it's the Freetress Equal Freedom Part Lace Front Wig. It is synthetic, but I'm telling you, this synthetic, I bet you it'll be like 95% Meek Mills approved. Yes, it looks so realistic. It's beautiful, nice grade of hair. It's full. I'm telling you, it looks more like a sew-in than a wig. I can't begin to tell you how many people think I have a sew-in. Who knows my real hair is not this long? Who knows that it's not this long? So they really do believe I have a sew-in. I mean, it's beautiful. Like, it ain't one of them hairs, those synthetic wigs that the wind blows and it's, the hair is stiff. It don't even move with the wind. I mean, it's like straight up no movement at all. This right here has a lot of movement, a lot of body. I'm telling you, it's beautiful. Okay? It's natural looking. It's the part, so you could part it 3 ways. So as I show you in the video, I only did it 2 because I mean, it doesn't matter if it's to the parts to the right or to the left, it's gonna look the same. But anyways, here's the part in the front, and then I showed you in the beginning the part in the on the side, right. No, that's my left. You're right. So that's that. It comes with 3 combs. 2 in the center, or 2 on the right, 1 on the right, 1 on the left, 1 in the back. Now, I did remove the combs in the front because I really feel like it was rubbing at my hairline. So it was irritating my hairline and causing a lot of friction. So I just removed these combs here in the front. I kept the back because, the back was fine, but the 2 combs had to go. So, and also at the nape of your neck where the hair is at, you would, like, look at that. Oh my goodness. It does mat a lot at back there. So every day, you want to make sure you brush it out so it won't get too matted and then sheds a lot. Speaking of shedding, there's minimum shedding. I brush this thing, like I said, every day because, especially in the back, and I have very, very minimum shedding. The lace, just when you cut it, just make sure you cut it close enough to the hairline, but not too close. Mine was pretty close, so this is what it looked like. Hopefully you can tell what it is. The baby hairs wasn't the best. There's no baby hair yet to create your own, and I'm not great at creating my own baby hair. If you are, man, let me know what you did to actually do it. I tried my own method and it just didn't look right to me. Ironing your hair. So it says you can iron your hair up to 400 degrees. I, as you see, had done mine up to 370. And then you get a bunch of flyaways when you iron it. Like, I try to cut like a little, side, what I'm trying to say. I cut it in an angle so it can like frame my face a little bit. And this is already kind of pre-cut at the bottom in little layers. But I did want to cut it a little bit to frame my face. And then when I was ironing and tried to like bump it a little bit, no, nothing was happening. Like I said, I just had flyaways. But, if you just take your hands and just slick it down a little bit or whatever, just brush it down. It usually, or comb it, it goes back to normal. No muss, no fuss. Price. it's dirt cheap. It's only, I'm telling you, this will be the best $34.97 you have ever spent on a synthetic wig from Amazon or wherever, you know, your beauty supply store. I'm sure they have it. I'm telling you, you would not regret purchasing the $34.97 it takes to actually purchase this wig. There's Prime, so free shipping. I use Prime, so mine was shipped free and quickly. Did I mention the party? How I do not like the party. The party ain't the best, but like I said, it's not the worst, but it's not the best. You will need a little bit of makeup to hide some of the little knots. The spacing of it seems like it's a little too big. And then you're not going to be able to, like, if you're someone where you want your part to be even more plucked, you're not going to do it because, like, there's just enough hair, to cover up the webs right here at the top. Also, you're not going to be able to pull your hair up into a ponytail based on how the hair is actually designed. So the tracks are actually going from, like, it's going in a manner to where it is not going to allow you to do that. And then, like I said, this is not a full lace, it's just lace at the part. So if you do pull it up, they're going to know it's a wig. But if you can master doing some baby hairs right here off to the side, or you know, kind of put it to where your actual hair kind of looks more like that, like it's blended in with the wig, then more power to you. I ain't gonna do all that. You know, this is synthetic, so I ain't trying to ruin this bad boy, trying to be creative with this wig. But like I said, it is an amazing wig. I had it for about a week. You know, I try to wait at least a week or two before I come and tell you about the hair, because when you first get it, of course, you're probably going to take it right out the pack and, like, I love it. And then after like a week or two, then you realize, what is going on, boo-boo? No, ma'am. No, ma'am, Pam. So, yeah, I had it for about 2 weeks, and I'm still madly in love with this wig. It is beautiful. Like I said, it is synthetic, so you can, and only $34, so you can't expect it to be extremely perfect. But it is an amazing wig. It's comfortable, big girl hip friendly. There's adjustable straps. So definitely get this wig. Like, look, some of that minimum shedding I was telling you about. Definitely get this wig. You would not regret it. You will not regret it. I can't emphasize that enough. You will not regret it. Let me know what you think. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video. If you don't, everything ain't for everybody. I understand. Just leave it in the comments what you didn't like so I can improve on my next one, you know. Don't be a complete hater. So, anywho, catch you on the next video. Thank you so much for sticking in there with me. Hopefully you did make it to the end. Until next time, people, peace and blessings. Yes, pose, yeah, pose.